So I'm helping my friend chop the rear end of his Sportster, and he's not 100% on whether he wants to leave the struts bare after we cut them. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the stock fender strut covers, and I'm going to cut these down and then try to round them off and enclose them so that they'll cover the bare struts. So the first thing I did was chop that end off to match the length. And then the next thing I did was I made a couple of cuts here to shape it like this. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to round this out just a little bit with a flap disc, and then I'm going to bend this tab down and try to connect it with a weld and make it look as close to that, but in a shorter version. Here they are rounded out and cleaned up, ready to weld. So I'm going to put it in a vise and try to bend this tab over and around this curve to enclose the end of these strut covers.